My name is Abigail Sensky-Kiklak, and I am a BSN student here at the KU School of Nursing. I'm working with a community in Wichita where there was a spill of trichloroethylene, which is a carcinogen. Union Pacific was using it to degrease some railroad tracks. And the 3 zip codes that are affected are predominantly a Black community. And so we're proposing to use the community-based participatory research technique of photo voice, where we recruit a small sample, 25 to 30 people, to take 5 to 10 photos on their phone.
My name's Annika Aurora. I'm a honors student at the KU School of Nursing. I've been working on research with my mentor, Dr. Moya Peterson, for the past year and a half. My research project is about adults with Down syndrome. We have been trying to demonstrate that this clinic brings in money for the health system. So we're hoping to demonstrate its profitability and hopefully get more funding allocated for the clinic. I'll just say shout out to Dr. Peterson. She's been a great help throughout all of this. Yeah, and shout out to all my honors classmates. We've been on it together these past couple of years. It's been great.
My name's Aveline Gruwal. I'm a 4th-year nursing student. I researched about patient turnover, which is basically the admissions, transfers, and discharges that a patient would go through and how it increases nursing workload. So every time a patient is transferred or discharged, this means the nurse has to work with the patient to coordinate their care. They have to chart more on the patient, and it's an important factor in right now determining RN staffing. I would say I would give a shout out to probably Dr. Stannersteer and Dr. Christian. They ran a very well organized program, and I felt like I learned a lot about research and nursing.
My name is Grant Colvin. I am a senior BSN student presenting at the Student Research Forum. I work at the Neuro ICU and will be working there after I graduate, but I took a little detour from that to focus on nursing research for a minute. And my faculty mentor in the BSN Honors Program was Dr. Barbara Polivka, and with her I did a secondary analysis analyzing the relationships between particulate matter, stress levels, and motor vehicle traffic exposure among adults with asthma as part of my research. I looked at how certain pollutants in the air can make us more stressed out. And I found that if there's more pollution in certain areas of our home, like our kitchen or our bedroom, it can actually, or it is correlated to higher levels of stress in the specific population of adults living with asthma.
I'm Hannah. I'm from the School of Nursing. Realized that post-COVID-19 is this big syndrome that doesn't have a whole lot of treatments, and a lot of people are suffering from all these symptoms that it doesn't have one single treatment. So we took 12 patients that have post-COVID-19. We took this supplement. It's called Active Hexose Correlated Compound. It's an anti-inflammatory, and it also works in the immune system on the natural killer cells. It's an over-the-counter supplement. You can get it on Amazon, and we found good effect with their reduction in all these symptoms that they're having. So shout out to the 2 of my doctors, Dr. Cintron and Dr. Pierce and Dr. Shin. They helped me a lot with this whole process, taught me all about what there is with research and how to publish a paper and just everything there is to know about research.
My name is Jana Schwartz. I'm a senior honors student in the KU School of Nursing Baccalaureate program. So I start in July in the KU Emergency Department as a new grad. I will give a shout out to Professor Christy LeCure. She teaches my lab class. She also has taught a couple of my foundational classes, and she has been extremely, extremely helpful in getting me to where I am today.
My name's Mallory Keach. I am a senior nursing student, and I'm in the BSN Honors Program here at KU. My research is focused on clinical nurse preceptors and what brings them confidence. We handed out a questionnaire to a lot of preceptors at KU. They have a massive role in helping new graduates, capstone students, and experienced nurses even bridge the gap. The main results were that the more experience you have as a nurse, which was one of the questions on the survey handed out, the more confidence you'll have.
I'm Sally Dersha, and I'm a senior nursing student here at KU School of Nursing. I chose KU actually for this specific opportunity of doing additional research outside of the normal school program. We are trying to increase physical activity in teenagers, and we're going to do that via a mobile phone and sending them text messages to incentivize them to get up and get moving. So this particular group of patients was diagnosed with diabetes, and these are the devices that they're going to wear right here. And we are trying to improve their blood glucose control. There's a lot of studies that show exercise is linked with better glycemic control. And if we can get folks up and moving, it'll really help them, particularly as adolescents. We find that they struggle with maintaining their blood sugars in the right range. Professor Keith Chansey has been amazing this year. We get great feedback from her. It's always so meaningful and wonderful. So we love her.